Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. And we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Friday, and we're going to start following Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
All right, yeah, we have quite a bit. All right, so box AS. All right. These are a pair of Anchor Blue baggy jeans. These sold for $34.55 plus shipping on eBay. I picked those up at a Goodwill for $6.99, so really good sale. And those are gonna go shipping out in a padded flat rate. And then I sold these Tevas. So these two I've just listed today, so we hadn't got them put away yet. And they just sold a few minutes ago. I have $8.96 into these. They sold for $34.60 plus shipping. These are under a pound, so they're just gonna go in a big. They can fit in a regular poly.
Yeah, I think so.
So that's easy enough. And then the Salomons, I've sold these several times over. I'm actually really sad because I have another pair. Well, I had a pair.
Right.
I cannot find the match to it. I don't know if it fell out as I was in a parking lot at Goodwill or what.
Right.
Because I can't find it in my house or my car or... Anyways, that's sad. But these, if you ever find them, they sell really good. They have like super... spiky heels.
Super
they're
off-road
really
tread.
Good. Yeah, they're called the snow clog, so probably good for walking and snowing, but they're not like a boot.
Right.
So yeah, these sold for, I also have $8.96 into these, and they sold for $49.73 plus shipping, same day I listed them.
Very nice.
Yeah, and those are just going out in a shoebox. And then let me do this one last. This is our viewer sale, but she bought 5 items, so we'll
okay.
leave some space. Alright. These are some H&M kid jeans. These were just my son's. I got them on clearance at H&M years ago, and for $5 they sold today on Kidizen for $8 plus shipping, so I made all my money back. And those will just go in a poly. Alrighty, and then BB. BC. Do you do this on purpose? I feel like you do.
Gotta get up, Bubbas. Come here.
Where's your carrots? I sold this I think it's softball. It's a glove. It could be baseball. I sold it for $20 plus shipping on Facebook. This is heavy, so the shipping was $9. So all in about, the buyer's in about $30 on that. I did get that from the bin, so $1.96 into it. And because it's sold on Facebook, that means it's priority mail, so let me see what you think it would fit in a shoebox. Probably do a shoebox on that just because we have so many shoeboxes. Alright, D. Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
He thinks I don't want him to
BC?
be around. Baba.
Oh. Are you pouting? You feel bad now?
Yes. Alright, this is just a mini Bowden kid shirt. It's just like a campfire applique. For some reason this shirt got really popular, so you could sell it for, well, I was going to say more than retail, although I think these retail around $30 to $35, so at least for retail, even like with flaws and stuff like this, has a start of a hole right here. So I bought this for my son off Kidizen last summer for $35.74. That's what I had into it. It sold today on eBay for $30 plus shipping. So he did get somewhere out of it, and I'm making most of my money back. Let's do a poly on that. I had it listed a little higher. Someone messaged asking if I'd do 30, so I just did that because it did have that little hole starting, and I just wanted my $30 back.
Right.
So. All right, AJ. This is just a Harry Potter sweatshirt. This is newly tagged, but I got it from the bins, so I only have $1.31 into it.
That's crazy.
It sold for, I know, like I don't know how this stuff ends up at the bins. It's over $18.63 plus shipping, so it's been listed a few months. It just wasn't selling. I kept lowering the price. I started it high at like 30, I think. So $1 into 18, I'm still happy with that. And that's gonna go in like a bigger poly. just a men's Quicksilver button down. I got this retail arbitrage the other day with the other shirts that I recently sold. I did pay $7 for it, and it sold for $20 plus shipping. I don't know if you saw, but I have one more, so one listing, multi-quantity. So yeah, I'm only making like $10 profit, but when that one sells, that'll be another at least $10, and that's one listing.
The same work,
$20,
right?
Yeah.
You only had to photograph one shirt.
Yep.
And list one listing. That's multiple quantities.
Yep. And that's just a poly. And then AO. These are some Palladium men's boots. If you haven't heard of this brand, it sells pretty well, even kids stuff. But this is my first time selling men's, so I thought that was cool. I paid $12.99 for these at Goodwill just because I wanted to try them out. They sold within like a month or so, I think, for $58.63 plus shipping. So definitely worth paying up for.
Yeah.
And those are also going in a shoebox. I think all the shipping's fairly easy today.
Shoe boxes and poly mailers.
All right. These are some women's Echo Gore-Tex boots. So I did pay up for these as well at $12.99. Even kind of against my better judgment because they were a size 36, which is like a 5.5 women's. But they were like in perfect condition. And they were Gore-Tex, so I gave them a try. They sold fairly quickly for being that small of a size, and they sold for $59.63 plus shipping, so happy with that. And they are going in a shoebox as well. And then box L. So the scarf, this is the brand. This just came from our family friend who gave us a bunch of stuff free. So I have nothing into it. It sold for $20 with discount shipping, so Poshmark VA offer. And yeah, happy with that. We'll just go out in a little regional A box for Poshmark.
We actually got a question on one of our recent videos about regional A's and how, like, why are we using it? Because it's expensive. We use them on Poshmark, and Poshmark you're allowed to use regional A's just like you can use flat rate boxes and flat rate mailers. So it's no additional cost to us when you're shipping on Poshmark when we use regional A's.
Mm-hmm. I've used them a few times on eBay.
Yeah.
Like for...
It's a very special occasion.
Yeah, it's been like twice. But so basically, the regional A, someone told us this, a viewer told us this a while back. I didn't even know. It charges you the 2-pound rate even if it's over 2 pounds. So like, yeah, but it has to fit in the box,
right.
You know, sort of like a flat rate. But if you have a 4-pound item and you can fit it in this box, you're only going to pay for 2 pounds, like on eBay or whatever. So I have used it a couple times in those instances, but a lot of times I can just,
right.
It either can't fit because it's too big, or it's just cheaper to just do per pound. So
right.
All right. The regional B, however, that one I've never found a use for. That one is always like $18 or something ridiculous.
And maybe that's what she was referencing.
Yeah,
I don't remember if she said A or B, but
the B's are way bigger boxes, so you can fit a lot more, but they cost way more. Like,
right.
I mean, you could use a medium flat rate, almost even a large flat rate for the same price. So.
But that is the cool thing about Poshmark. You can use any of those for your shipping with Poshmark.
And I like the regional A's for Posh because they're very slim. Like, they're perfect for like something like this.
Yeah.
All right. And then I sold these on Poshmark as well. They're just some Mickey Mouse Croc sandals. I picked these up. My average cost of goods at Goodwill was $6.25 this day, and they sold with a Poshmark VA discount up $32 with discount shipping. Those, I want to put them in the other regional A, but I think they might be a little too long, so we'll probably just do a shoebox on those. Right. And box AA. These are just some little kid National Geographic Vans. I'd hope to get more around $30 for these, but they've been listed over a month at this point, so I got an offer of $23 today, and I just went ahead and accepted. The buyer did pay shipping on Mercari as well, so I got those at Goodwill for $7.99, so it's like a $12 profit or something, 11, 12 bucks.
Yeah.
I'm fine with that. And yeah, so those are under a pound. They're just gonna go out in a poly. much under a pound they are. I might do one of the little... I might try to find a little box for them to keep it under a pound. Otherwise, I might just do this padded mailer. Little baby padded mailer.
They're under, I put them on those
Under
clear
here?
bags under, yeah.
Even though it's not eBay, but...
Yeah, in this case, what we would do is just put our label kind of over the eBay. I mean, it's not really a big deal, but, you know, somebody who bought something off Mercari, they're not expecting an eBay.
Yeah, and they might be like, what did I order?
Yeah, logo stuff, so.
Well, we still use it. You. Sold these Converse on Facebook. These I got at the bins as well, so $1.39 into them. I did wash them, but you can see they're really dingy.
Yeah.
They're just kind of dirty. So I listed them fairly low, $15 plus shipping, and the buyer bought them for that price. So these are over a pound, so they did pay $9 for shipping. So even with the staining and everything like that, they're all in close to $30. And because that's Facebook, we can do a box. Right. And then AB. Another one of my wildflowers dresses. This one sold for $22 plus ship and offer I accepted. Again, I have about $11 into each of these dresses, so not huge money. I think that was about an $8 profit. And that will just go out in a poly. Let's do this one. Oh, maybe this one. Forgot about the fall one. Alright, and then this is our viewer sale going out to Christina, who's bought from us many, many times.
Yeah.
She always buys big bundles, so I so appreciate this.
We're always so grateful.
Yeah.
It's so fun picking all your items, Christina.
And putting them all in a box. So she grabbed this puzzle. I'll just grab everything and then tell you what it sold for. And then box M. Scholastic learning mat thing, and it is still new in box. Box I. It's just a little Pottery Barn throw pillow. Let me just set these down.
Yeah.
Right. And then box CU. Let me do BE while we're right here. This is a kid's like hoodie. Brand is Tucker and Tate. And then CU. This is the brand Ella Moss. It's just a pretty sweater. So she bundled these all and offered me $100. I don't remember what it was all listed for, but I know that was a
very generous offer.
Yeah, very generous offer.
Christina, you always give us the best offers. You should offer a little lower next time.
So I haven't weighed these. Yeah, I was trying to calculate it, but my mind was not working. I think it might be just over where we might have to upgrade the label 1 pound, which I'm very happy to do for a $100 sale. So let's see. Yeah. So just over 5. Yeah, I can fit it in one of these under 6. So I will do that label before we... I mean, I already printed this label, but I'll just void this one and then print a new one and put them in this big box and ship them out. So the upgraded label price, I believe, is $4.50. So very happy to pay $4.50 to make a $100 sale. So
absolutely.
What I had into those, so the hoodie was my son's. I did pay like I think $19 or something for that, but otherwise the other 4 items I only had about $9 in total. So
okay, really
good sale.
Yeah.
Thank you, Christina.
Thank you so much, Christina,
for
all the
a couple
support.
Items are for like Christmas presents, so
yeah,
that made me like, oh my gosh, it's Christmas is coming. It's crazy.
Q4 sales.
Yep.
Coming in.
So
I see Reese came out of the closet. He must be done pouting.
You never lay over here, so he's still trying to hide. What's wrong?
Ooh, the cold shoulder. Anyway, we're going to get this stuff all packed up, and we'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, got everything packed up, ready to go. We actually could not use a 13 by 13 by 9 on Christina's order.
Because the puzzle was a little bit too
big.
That
puzzle is it's longer than 13 inches, so we
this box kind of fit everything
Wanted to show you guys,
perfectly. And you can see, so right now we're at 0. And then this puts us at 511. So still under the 6 pound, which is what I paid for. You can see right here. Now it says 6 pounds instead of 5 pounds. So yeah.
Hopefully you can see that. The screen kind of went all white. But yeah, so that's a perfect reason why we like to keep these Amazon boxes. This is kind of a weird shaped box.
Yeah.
It doesn't really work well for shoes or anything, but
yeah, like if I didn't have this box, then like I have big polys, but I wouldn't want to put like a puzzle and like board game things that are
probably going to be used as gifts, like she said.
Like they would get probably messed up. So
right.
Yeah.
But this worked out well, and we just wanted to show you guys that. But that's going to do it for today, guys. I think we're just going to take this stuff off to the post office, go get the boys from school. We're excited to see how Sai is today. He actually had to do the Pledge of Allegiance on the... I don't know. You said it was like on video, right? Like, I guess they broadcast it to all the classes through...
We were in school, they didn't have
video. We had the radio thing. I don't even know what it's called. Speaker. The CB, I don't know. The PA system, yeah. So... things are different now, I guess, but I'm excited to see how he did, and he was so excited. He's been practicing his Pledge of Allegiance. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.